They got goddamn bank robbery progress, ain't it? Well, she got the antenna pointing north. Oh, we coordinated. What John Witherspoon said, God bless the dead, John Witherspoon said, you gotta learn how to coordinate. That's wrong with these young folks today. They don't know how to coordinate. Young folks today, they don't know how to coordinate. I think their first person view gonna be all right though. Yes, sir. They gotta learn how to coordinate. Coordinate. They mind right. What I told them do. They mind right. Oh yeah. They mind right. Track trailer clearly marked. They vanity, but they clearly marked. Yes, sir. DOT like to see them when they clearly marked. Oh yeah, we on squawk. We on squawk, son. Breaker 190 radio check. Radio check. I believe they coming through loud and clear. Let me know something out there.
You right about that, driver?
Hey, there's a big old Roger. What's your 20, driver?
Oh, I'm sitting over here at JJ's right now.
Oh, that's all right. Appreciate you, brother. Loud and clear. Boy, we thumping up at that Peterbilt. I want y'all to know JJ about 15 miles away. Thumping. We thumping. He's thumping. JJ is over there in Pearl, Mississippi, on the other side of the interstate of 20. Pulling up Cadillac. MJ style. Filter changes and maintenance. If you don't know how to prime that filter back up on a Detroit 11.1, 12.7, 14.1,
you'll be sitting at the place and they'll have to come get you. That Peterbilt been sitting there since last night. They can't get it to prime back up. I walked up and told them what they need to do. These ain't got regular filters on them. They upside down. So when you fill the filter up, you gotta fill it all the way to the top and be real expeditious about flipping the filter upside down, and before the diesel runs out, screw it on. I don't know if they did that or not. They say they did. If there wasn't no air in the system, it'd be running.
Okay. Did it help your gas when you turn it down? That's what it takes to the top. Okay. And when it's done, it comes up 5. They come 550 at 500. Yeah. I just replaced every belt and tensioner in the front.
And it's still squirrely.
Yeah, I don't know why I just started doing that today. But they come 500, but you can turn them up to a 550.
Okay.
But I'm not going to, it pulls good.
I can imagine. What trans you got behind it?
18 speed. And then it had three 350s in it.
Uh-huh.
And remember when we had the ice storm down here in Mississippi last year?
Yeah.
Well, it's fun to drive mine. It's fun to drive because I only had the limited slip. So I was in that rough shit down there on 20.
And you locked it in while it was spinning?
No, I had it locked in, but you would hit that ice and then I would hit the pavement. And then it's fun to drive. Yeah. So we towed it when the records could tow again. We had towed to a shop and we updated the rear ends and put full lockers in them. Now I got 370s.
Oh man, it come out a whole lot better, don't it?
Yeah. So we put 370s. So we put brand new rears, full lockers in it.
Oh yeah.
Because you know that.
Yeah, that one tire gets peg legged and then it finally catches and it's like bam.
And you already had that one because it's already spinning. And theoretically it's supposed to be that one's not supposed to spin, or it's supposed to lock in.
Right.
With one spinning,
but unless you got that full lock, you ain't gonna get it.
Yeah.
Damn, that's a lot of weight.
Yeah, see all that weight.
There it is, man. Sure, like I said, we get up with my guy Ken, go back down here to the yard. You just follow me in and we go down there to my parking space. He'll meet us down there. Shit. He might beat us there fucking with these people.
What's your YouTube channel?
It's called Hotshot Haven.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I had started out with non-CDL hot shots back in 2018. Yep.
Oh, they got them short beds on the line, baby. Form a line. Ooh, they swing and bang around here. Come out there, hold that third. AC blowing cold.
Breaker 190 radio check. We so appreciate you. They got a goddamn bank robbery in progress. Ain't it? The Trouble Mall Bank. Shit. What's the situation, boy? Situation, boy. Like they done tried it today. Oh, nah. What we got? Little lightweight car show slab parade. Okay. I thought they had pulled it out here. I thought, boy, they had slid through.